Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I finished our new deck with a railing. In a previous video, you can see the renovations that have taken place in our one room on the first floor where we added a wood-burning stove, and then most recently added a French door cut through a window and made a French door. But in order to have a French door, I wanted to be able to have a back door that we could get out of the back of the house. I also wanted the view that a French door provided, but we needed a deck in order to, because our house sits kind of high, so we needed to be able to have something to walk out onto. So a while ago, about a year ago, we had our Amish friend Jacob build us the deck. And then this year we had the French door put in. And so now, as we're approaching fall, I have to finish the deck. I really want to stain it and finish it, but before I can do that, I need to put a railing on. Over the last several months, I have probably in my mind created a half a dozen options of what I wanted for a railing. I really like the horizontal slats of a railing, but the problem I've run into in the front of my house is that the slats I've put there that make it kind of look like a fence, that they're too wide. They're 1x6 boards, and I just think the 6 inches is just too wide. It really obstructs my view when I'm sitting on the porch. And I didn't want that for this deck. I wanted to be able to lounge in our Adirondack chairs and have a view without these big slats in the way. So I thought, well, maybe a horizontal option is not the best option. I should go vertical. That way I can see between the vertical line. So I was thinking metal, and I looked into the metal options, but really it would have cost me probably about $1,000 to put metal railing on this deck. And so that wasn't an option either. So I'm back to a horizontal railing. And this time though, I've decided I'm going to do 1x4s instead of 1x6s. And I'm just going to do 3 boards. They'll be 3 feet high. It should be good enough. And I don't know, it should be simple, inexpensive, and not too much of a problem with my view. I just want to see my pond. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to start working on my horizontal railing for my deck.